of the day. How do cows do math? Like calculator. What do cows read the most? Catalogs. Where do cats go swimming? The kiddie pool. Why do French people eat snails? They don't like fast food. Why do burgers go to the gym? To get bigger buns. What streets do skeletons live on? Dead ends. Why did the barber win the race? He knew a shortcut.